where the city of Akkad was located, how it came to prominence, or how exactly it perished. Nevertheless, it was once the headquarters of the Akkad Empire, which spanned much of the region of ancient Mesopotamia. Legend has it that it was built by King Sargon, who united Mesopotamia under his rule to form the kingdom of Akkad. But one day, the city of Akkad disappeared from the earth as if it had never existed. Never existed.
Inuma Shamuelu ersettu Shaperu Sarum Sargon ina babim itesti Shedum Nabu ina Neber Shame Naram Sargon ina Dini itanu Shamu Ashu ina Shintim iluti Kuru ipshu Akaduna erseti Ana Gorida Nadiatim Ana Shade Dare Nabu Usharutu ina ersetetu Kurimaruti iti Ilani Nadia Kadushut Sargon ina Belim Isha erset Shaplim Shintu Elu italku Nadiatu mina Shadi Unaratu iter Shamu Washu Ina Shinti iluti Kuru ipshu Akaduna erseti Ana Gorida Nadiatim Ana Shade Dare Nabu Usharutu ina ersetetu Ina Shade Voltai Shumat Balati Sarum Sargon ina Shaplim Ikbu Erset Nadbu Ishibu Rabiatim Akkadusha Illu ina Dalu Itapu Shamu Washu ina Shintim iluti Kuru ipshu Akaduna erseti Ana Gorida Nadiatim Ana Shade Dare Nabu Usharutu ina ersetetu Ina Shade Voltai Shumat Balati Sarum Sargon ina Shaplim Ikbu Erset Nadbu Ishibu Rabiatim Akkadusha Ilu ina Atru Itatu Shamu Washu ina Shintim iluti Kuru ipshu Akaduna erseti Ana Gorida Nadiatim Ana Shade Dare Nabu Usharutu ina ersetetu Ina Shade Shuru Ushubati Ikbu Akadu ina Ilu Sharutu itepu Naru Rabiatu Balati Shubatu Sargon Baltu Shanam Shadita Naplu Shubat erseti Uldurisha Ilu Napshati ina Shade Lisharaku Akadushu tumiluti Nadbu Daru ina Shinti mati metu Erset Shashade Elu Akadu Ishibu Shamu Elu Daru ina Shinti ipushu Ilu Katim Shadi Tapku Belu Akadu ina Shamu ina Darati Napshati Daru Akadu ina Erseti Sargon Baltu ina Shade Ikubu Ilu ipushu Shintu Ana Sharuti Rabitu Akadushu Patilani ina Shinti Shinti.
In the legends of the Red Savages of Gore, it is said that the Akkadians were brought to Gore by their gods. They came in black flying machines that rode on fire thousands of years ago.